Hi everyone, just today I create a music recommendation system on Azure. This is taken from the Microsoft Build 2024 LAP. So what we will build? We will build this environment. All is in the Azure Container Apps. In these Azure Container Apps, we will deploy the vector database as an add-on quadrant. We will deploy a Jupyter netbook. It could be deployed as a GPU accelerate, but I will do it without that just because now everyone has permission to deploy the GPU, just because there is a high demand over the world. And we deploy just the API Python backend and then front-end application. And so this application is just used for the music recommendation. Simply find a similar music that one that you are listening for. There is the exact information what we will be deploying, and there is a step-by-step. Okay, just I am logged into the Azure, and let's use a Cloud Shell and use a bash for that one. Just okay. First step, register the container apps and all the necessary components. Okay, next step is just define some of the variables. And by the way, I am using just these images. All the images are from the Docker Hub. Just I transferred it just from the Azure, from the Simon. Great job. Okay, then let's create a resource group. And then container apps environment. And then let's prepare for the vector DB add-on quadrant. Container apps, just let's say next. It is based on the Kubernetes. If you don't want to deal with all the Kubernetes stuff, just the container apps are a bit easier, and it is recommended for the not heavy environment. So for the environment that is not needed, especially to run all the time. And the mentioned vector database extension for the Azure CLI is needed, and the add-on is deploying now. Okay, going to the next step. Deploy container app inside the container apps. Okay. Okay, we deploy the workload profile. And then Jupyter workbook. Okay, then we can just grab the token. I hope it will be here. Okay, the Jupyter workbook has been deployed. It's working, yes. So just this command, just grab the logs and display it. Okay, so for now, and there are some notebooks, start, import, and recommendation. Just let's execute the start, the import necessary modules. At the beginning it could fail, so we'll execute it double. Read the documentation, what they are saying for now. The start is just also populate the database. In that case we'll use CPU, so it takes a lot of time. We can also use a GPU for that, but anyway I recommended just only to see that and then stop, and then go to the import one and execute there are the import one. Start import. Go to the import, and now just I will be not generating the embeddings but simply import them. They are saying for now the start is just also populate the database, and now I am importing them. In that case we'll use CPU, so okay, import has been performed successfully. So next time you can check this notebook to check exactly how this software is just working. But now we deploy the backend application as a first step. It is just this command. Okay, I am not sure if we do not lose the variables, so I execute them once again. And then deploy the backend application. Okay, it is just done. Okay, let's refresh here. Okay, we have a backend. It's our backend URL, and the API is just like that one. But not so good. Okay, songs. Okay, and we have all the data just here. So finally we can deploy front-end. But it is just for the backend. Okay, let's do that. Okay, if we would like to create embeddings using the GPU, this command needs to be executed. But now let's check if it is our containers apps and frontend has been deployed. And then we should be able to access the front end. With the list of the songs. We can play it and get, according to this music, get another recommendation. That's all. It is just fast approach about this application, and there are some notebooks and the best place to learn how the application is using is just revisit the Jupyter notebooks and execute them one by one.